So it shouldn't come to as a surprise that you need to multiply with the conjugate complex number, bottom and just like second. Right. You want to use a square minus b square, a minus b. So you want to square both sides. So this case here, you just multiply with the surds below. Okay. Let me just bring up a nicer color here. So this one, just multiply with 3 plus 4i and 3 plus 4i. Then you just do as per normal lah. So the bottom one will just be, now the bottom one is what we did just now, the cool one. You just take 3 square. Okay, if you're not too sure, you just bracket lah. Bracket always works. Yeah. The top we just slowly expand. Okay. So this case here, what we get is 3y. Simplifying shouldn't be a problem. This will just be 3 minus 5.